Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Dftg 1392 Rivet Architecture. And today we are going to start creating the model. Okay, so I'm glad all of you guys have showed up. I'm really excited about teaching you guys this semester. We are getting ready to do some great things. Okay, so first things first, we're going to show you guys how to open up files. Okay, uh, what you see is this is the interface when you open up Rivet. Yours is going to be a little bit different because I've been working in projects and I use specified project templates based on the type of project that I'm working on. But I'm going to show you how to open up a project, and then we're going to go ahead and we are going to start creating the model. Okay, so first things first, once you open up the Rivet software, you want to come over here and where it says models, okay, on the menu to the left, you want to go ahead and click on new, okay? And what it's going to say, it's going to say new project here, okay? I have customized templates loaded, okay? So what you want to do is you want to select architectural template, okay? And then after you select architectural template, you want to make sure that you select Imperial, okay? It's going to say Imperial. Mine is a little bit customized, so it's not going to show here exactly like it's showing on your drawing, but as long as you go in, you'll see the word architectural template. Just click the down arrow and select architectural template. For me, that's the Residential Show 2024 template. Like I said, mine is a little bit customized, but you should see architectural template right here. And then once you select that, you want to make sure that you select Imperial, okay? If it's not already, I think 2024 it comes standard, but if it gives you the option to select metric or Imperial, then you want to make sure you select Imperial because we are not drawing in the metric standards. Imperial is feet and inches, okay? We're not drawing in meters. Even though there are some companies that do elect to draw in meters, for the most part in the architectural industry, a, uh, a foot and inches values is what is going to be used. And when you do work for a company that use metric values, they'll specify as such, okay? So you want to go ahead and click on architectural template and make sure you have the imperial value selected and click open, okay? And what that is going to do for you, it's going to open up a brand new architectural template. Again, for this portion and this portion only, mine is going to show a little bit different from yours, but fear not, it's all the same, okay? So when you open up your model, you're going to get this interface. And hopefully you guys went over the interface last week. That's why I actually uploaded that video, so you guys can have some familiarity rolling into what we're going to be working on this week, which is the beginning of the creation of the model, okay? So what you guys will see is when you open up this Rivet architectural template, you will have a window something like this, okay? You won't have the reference planes drawn, so I'm going to hide them here. And this is something I can show you guys. It's called hiding things in view. If you are familiar with AutoCAD, it's kind of similar to toggling layers on and toggling layers off, right? So what you'll do to do this quick and dirty, because there is a portion of Rivet where you can actually go in and create layers, and you can assign different layers to different attributes, but we'll get to that when we get to that. I think that's like around module 4 or module 5. So just keep it simple today. If you have something in your drawing that looks like this is what's called a reference plane. And I don't want to say turn them off. If you have reference planes already in your model, you want to go ahead and select them and delete them, okay? Right now, we don't need them shown here. And these are all text and things that I use for a specified template. We won't be using this stuff in this model because you guys are working in a more simplistic template. I do real world projects, so a lot of the times my templates are going to be based on the projects that I'm working on and based on the specifications of that company that I'm doing contracts with or contracts for. So let's just keep it clean and simple here. Let's just delete anything that's in there, and you guys will probably have some elevation markers. Just leave those alone for right now. Okay, first things first, we're going to go ahead and start drawing the model. Um, you know, first thing we're going to do is we're going to actually draw the walls. And if you went over the video last week, you know you have architectural template, you have the structural template, you have the steel template, precast, insert, annotate, collaborate, master, and insight. I won't go over them all. I just wanted I wanted you guys to kind of have a brief overview of them all. This is why I wanted you to watch that video last week. The way it works is we'll go through each tab as we draw the model. That's the best way to learn. And plus, it will provide some repetition for you, as when you're drawing walls, you'll draw more than once, okay? So first things first, let's go ahead and draw the architectural walls, okay? And what we're going to cover today, we're going to cover architectural walls. We're going to show you guys how to use the selection box. We're going to show you guys how to use the mirroring function, the create similar function. We're going to actually show you guys how to use the start and end radius arc function when drawing walls. We're going to go over the view cube, okay? We're going to show you guys how to manipulate the scale of a project. And we're going to show you guys how to turn off and on the project browser, which is over here, and the properties menu. We'll get more into that as we matriculate. We'll show you guys how to actually look at the 3D view once we draw the walls, okay? And we're going to show you guys, how to put in elevation markers and how to, toggle the graphic display options, right? So first things first, okay? What did I want to cover? First things first, we're going to start drawing walls, okay? And I want you guys to follow me verbatim. I'm going to draw something and I'll be explaining different things that's associated with drawing that particular thing. And I'm also going to explain some different things that are not associated with drawing that particular thing, okay? So first things first, we like to use hot commands, okay? So you can actually come and click on the architecture tab. And what you can do is we want to draw a wall first. So first things first, you want to come here and you want to click on the wall icon. And if you hover over it, okay, you see the word wall here. And you see that those two letters in parentheses, that is the hot command to activate the wall icon. What is hot command? Hot commands is when you can just type in WA and it'll activate the wall icon versus you coming over here and actually clicking it. Hot commands is something I am going to